Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, hope restored for educators of an early childhood institution after receiving free internet to conduct classes. We have more in this report from Kian Morgan.
Who would have thought connecting to the internet could reconnect these educators to what they love most, teaching? Here at the Sunbury Early Childhood Institution, love for the job was almost lost due to lack of resources. Access to the internet, a big issue. Located in the remote community of Sunbury District, Clarendon, Principal Sonia Daly detailed the impact on learning.
We have to buy the credit every week, like $1,000 per week to do the school business calls and everything.
Internet provider Integral Network Limited, through an initiative, took up the task during the pandemic to assist schools and students who are off the grid to connect to the internet for free.
We just ask that the schools pay for the equipment. There is a no strings attached policy, and we hope to do it for as long as we can.
CEO and founder Davian Morrison says his company has assisted 18 schools across 3 parishes, with plans to assist more.
There's a saying that says, he to whom much is given, from him much is expected. My own journey itself was successful because of institutions where there are other persons who played a part. So having reached where I was, I thought, where if it's possible for me to then pass it on by helping other people, why not? So as a trained electrical engineer with a background in telecom, electronics and microsystems, I said, okay, this is right up my alley. And there was a need for it at the time. And though there are initiatives and other things to try to reach schools, there are really schools which had no access before we came.
And the feedback has been positive.
People are shocked that to say, what is the catch? There's no catch. We just realize that these schools need services.
Principal Daly says that the team came in the nick of time.
Considering a time when I just say to myself, I can't be bothered, because it has been costing us a lot, to do the school business and all of that, and we don't have any money.
For teacher Natonia Hayes Daly, the learning experience has improved significantly.
It was expensive, but now it has our advance where we can really, get it at hand, and the children are grasping to it well.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.